Good morning. From the Gospel, we heard that Jesus instructed his 12 apostles to take nothing for the journey: no food, no sack, no money in their belts. In other words, the Lord made them powerless. Because, let us admit it, even now, money is power. Di ba? Money is power. If you don't have money, you don't have power. And the more money you have, the more power you have. That's why some people would like to have more money in their lives so that they may have more power. Pag wala kang pera, wala kang kwenta. Yun ang pananaw. Yun ang pananaw. That's why when Jesus told them, do not bring money, do not bring food. Food is also power. No? Do not bring sack. The Lord is making them powerless. But towards the end of the gospel, it is said that the 12 drove out many demons. Nakapagpapalaya sila ng demonyo. And they anointed with oil many who were sick and cured them. Nakapagpapagaling sila ng mga may sakit. Hindi lamang sila nakakapagpagaling ng nagpapalayas ng demonyo. That is power. Jesus made them powerless, but He also made them powerful. Kasi power, is to be able to cure. Power is to be able to drive out demons. Hindi lahat may ganong kakayanan. Ibinibigay yon ng Diyos. So, dito sa ebanghelyong ito, mga ginigiliw kong kapatid, ginagawa ni Jesus ang kanyang mga alagad na walang kapangyarihan, pero binibigyan ni Jesus ang kanyang mga alagad ng kapangyarihan. Real power can only come from God. Real power can only come from God. In other words, Jesus would like His 12 disciples to realize that their dependence on the Lord. Huwag kayong umasa sa mga material na bagay. Sa akin kayo umasa. Yan ang gustong sabihin ng Panginoon. Sapagkat kapag kayo'y umasa sa akin, bibigyan ko kayo ng higit na kapangyarihan kaysa sa maibibigay ng kung ano meron kayo ngayon. Powerful, powerless. Real power can only come from God. And since the source of everything is God, if we have God, we have everything. You know, incidentally, as I mentioned earlier, today we celebrate the memorial of the martyrs of Nagasaki. From the 16th century, Nagasaki had been a witness to so many martyrdoms. In the batch of San Pedro Bautista, by the way, si San Pedro Bautista ay isang Franciscano na naglingkod dito sa Pilipinas. At niyang kanyang mga kasama, katulad nila Pablo Miki, there were Christians persecuted during that time. They were killed, and therefore, they were powerless. They were not able to prevent their own death. Sinibat sila, isa-isa, patay agad. They were powerless. But, in the midst of this powerlessness, they were calm, serene, even joyful. Why? because they know that these spears did not have power over them. Why? Because God is with them. Their power came from God. They were not powerless. They were powerful because God supplied them with strength. Mga minamahal kong kapatid, magandang aral po yan sa atin. Hanapin natin ang tunay na kapangyarihan. Wala sa salapi, wala sa mga material na bagay ang tunay na kapangyarihan. Kasi salapi, pwedeng mawala. Pagkain, pwedeng maubos. Kasikatan, pwede kang malaos. Pero kung ang kalakasan at kapangyarihan mo'y nanggagaling sa Diyos, hanggat may Diyos, meron kang kapangyarihan. Sa makatuwid, hindi mauubos sapagkat hindi mawawala ang Diyos. In the eyes of the Lord, in the eyes of the world, we may be powerless, but in the eyes of God, we are powerful. Amen.